You might have seen Vapofil popping up on socials or search ads, touted as a wellness supplement with everything from energy boosts to detox benefits. But the real question is Vapofil a real supplement that works, or is it just a fake product riding on marketing hype? Let's break it down. According to its marketing, Vapofil promises benefits like improved overall wellness and vitality, enhanced metabolic or detox support, and boosted energy and focus. These kinds of claims sound appealing, but this is where skepticism matters. Broad, dramatic promises usually need solid scientific backing to be true. Here's the key point. Dietary supplements including Vapofil are not regulated as drugs by authorities like the FDA. That means manufacturers can sell them without proving they work or are safe, unless they make specific disease treatment claims. Most legitimate supplements are supported by at least clear ingredients lists, transparent dosage amounts, and published clinical trials or peer-reviewed studies. For something like detox or energy boost, real scientific evidence would come from controlled human research, and there's no credible published clinical data showing that Vapofil alone reliably delivers this kind of dramatic benefit its ads suggest. Supplements with vague names like Vapofil often use combinations of vitamins, herbal extracts, and amino acids that may have mild effects on general health. Common categories include caffeine or B vitamins, can temporarily support energy, antioxidants, and herbal extracts. But here's the truth. Mild nutrient support does not equal dramatic wellness transformation. Real health benefits usually come from a consistent diet, exercise, sleep, and medical guidance, not a single wonder pill. User feedback from products similar to Vapofil is typically mixed. Some people feel a little more energy or alertness, often no more than what you'd expect from multivitamin or basic energy support formula. Others see no noticeable difference at all, and a few mention side effects like jitteriness or upset stomach, particularly if caffeine or certain herbal compounds are included. This pattern of mixed experiences with small effects is very common with general wellness supplements that lack robust clinical support. So is Vapofil a real supplement or a fake product? It's real in name and availability. It is a supplement that you can buy online, but it's not a proven miracle or highly effective health product. There's no strong clinical evidence that it does what dramatic marketing claims suggest. At best, it's a general wellness formula with mild or individual effects. The bottom line, if you choose to try Vapofil, treat it as a supportive supplement, not a cure-all. Focus first on proven health habits like nutrition, hydration, sleep, and exercise, and talk to a healthcare provider before taking any supplement, especially if you have medical conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.